Today we were at 205 North 15th Street for Doug Johnson. We are here doing a repairability test. We're going to attempt to replace this damaged shingle up on the roof here. The shingle got hit bad. So we're going to sit here and attempt to repair this shingle without damaging any of the other shingles around the current one. As you can see here, using a flat bar to completely get up under those shingles. No tearing of anything. With our hands. As you can see, we already have one rip while we're trying to remove the nails from the nail track. Let's see, we have another rip.
There's another rip.
Whoop. As you can see here, you have another rip right here on this shingle. Check the tracks here. As you can see, nail track. Rip. Rip. Tell here, the shingle that is currently on this roof does not match up with the shingle length as on the manufacturer today. So we have to cut this a little bit. After we put this shingle in here, you will see that those nail tracks had ripped along these other shingles here. So we'd have to replace those as well. Therefore, that means this test is a fail and it would be a step process throughout the whole thing.